The 33rd degree Gaia-Dawn Infinity Healing System. Split Paradigm Healing. When healing the physical body with the Gaia-Dawn Infinity Healing System, we introduce what is known as Split Paradigm Healing. We need to divide the body into 32 parts of the elements to facilitate a deeper and more penetrative healing. If you divide the outer body layers into 32 parts, the underlying density and thought forms are exposed to the holomatrix light and cannot but dissolve. The light penetrates into the darkest corners of the cells, exposing them to light. The process of dividing the body into 32 parts of the 8 chakras and 4 elements is done in this way. Divide the body exactly as before, using the same concept as the 4 sets of bodies pertaining to the 4 elements, each set holding the vibrations of the 8 chakras. In the case of split paradigm healing, manifest 8 holomatrices around the body, the seed of life representing the 8 chakras. Now each of these will split into 4 representing the 4 elements. Hence the body is divided into 32 parts. When the body is opened up in this way, the density that lies buried between the cellular membranes is released, and the healing holomatrices will penetrate through, releasing all unserving energies into light and love. Dual process healing with the holocomputer matrix and the TSC. Manifest 2 infinity body holocomputers, one in the front of the body and one at the back in the TSC in line with the heart. Note that they are both 33rd degree infinity holomatrices of love that represent every aspect of your physical and etheric bodies. The holocomputer at the front relates entirely to the physical vibration of the body, even though it is in the TSC. The holocomputer at the back relates completely to the higher vibration of the TSC. First, ask the holocomputers to show you the spectrum of colors of the body's state of health. Accelerating their rotation to 33rd degree infinite God light speed will spin all the colors out of themselves into the original perfect colors, denoting a perfect clearing and healing of the body and outer bodies. Infinity pulse frequency laser beams. We must now introduce a new healing tool called a frequency laser beam. This beam consists of the following characteristics: a healing vibration of light for the specific malfunction you have isolated, the perfect healing color needed as well, and the silent sound harmonic frequency needed to bring about perfect balance and harmony once more. This frequency laser beam has the ability to shatter irregularities immediately, allowing the holocomputers to draw off and dissolve the discordant energy into light, therefore accelerating the healing process. Once you have dissected the body into the 8 parts, then divided these parts into the 4 elements, you have opened up your body for healing. The infinity pulse frequency laser beams project from the ethers into the selected part and start to work, dissolving the density in that area, transmuting all misqualified energies into light. The powerful color, the perfect vibration, and the perfect silent sound harmonic combination will be drawn through the infinity pulse frequency laser beams to disintegrate the blocked up energies that will be released into the holocomputers that will transform them into light. Selected healing holomatrices. The holocomputers contain within themselves a 33rd degree infinity holomatrix of love for every aspect of your lower 8 bodies, as well as for all the organs, chakras, diseases, qualities, issues, and emotions. You simply ask the holocomputers to release the 33rd degree infinity holomatrix of love that represents the ailment or imbalance that you wish to heal. At this point, a holomatrix will appear from each body computer, one from the front holocomputer and one from the back. These 2 individual holomatrices will have different vibrations but will hold an encoding of each other as well. You then project each holomatrix to place itself around the body part so that they merge together. If the holomatrices you have selected represent a non-physical function, then allow them to merge together in your heart in unconditional love. When these holomatrices are perfectly placed, ask for the infinity pulse frequency laser beam that represents the frequencies that you require to heal your present issues to project into the merged holograms. 2 infinity pulse frequency laser beams will appear from out of the ethers, one from the back and one from the front. They will penetrate the healing holograms and shatter the illusory malfunction with light vibration, the perfect healing color, and silent sound harmonic frequency. The holomatrices will then change color and perhaps even appear milky. As this occurs, know that the holocomputers are drawing off the discordant energy and clearing it, dispersing it into pure light. Now from the front and back dual process holocomputers, a continuous flow of 33rd degree infinity holomatrices will flow into each of the merged selected healing holomatrices, accelerating the healing process. selected healing with 33rd degree infinity holomatrices of love. Ask the holocomputers to release the 33rd degree infinity holomatrices of love representing the selected healing for specific body parts or for any irregularities. Ask them to place themselves around the body part for a physical function or around the heart if it is for a non-physical function. Thought intention with breath. Body holocomputers release 33rd degree infinity holomatrices for selected healing. Inhale. Activate infinity frequency laser beams for selected healing infinity holomatrices of love. Five elements balancing. In order to remain centered and maintain clarity of mind, a person must have an awareness of the inner elemental makeup of his or her own psyche. This awareness also includes the ability to experience the elements and balance them in equal portion within the mind and body. You must be constantly on guard against elemental imbalance. It is suggested that one should perform the following technique of elemental balancing to actively combat such imbalances that may occur during the transformative process of self-initiation. This is a technique that should be performed regularly. Thought intention with breath. Activate the 5 elements light quotient expansion to 100%. Inhale. Balance, align, harmonize, unify all 5 elements. Chakra and meridian balancing. With the 33rd degree infinity holomatrix of love activation, your chakras and meridians are already balanced and aligned in a perfect way. However, you need to activate this perfect balance once again in order to achieve an effective healing of the body and chakras. All you need to do is to activate the perfect balance of chakras and meridians as done through all the activations, and activate also the alignment of the chakras and meridians in a perfected state. Balancing the meridians is enhanced by the Gayadon healing process. Thought intention with breath. Activate perfectly balanced, aligned unity chakras and meridians. Inhale. Accelerate to 33rd degree infinite God light speed. Healing and balancing of the spine. The spine is the center of your being, therefore it must be in perfect condition for you to function at your optimum. the original 8 cells at the base of the spine. The first 8 cells of creation that was formed by cell regeneration, holding the contract for our physical manifestation, forms the original 8 cells of creation. It forms a divine matrix around the heart soul. The original 8 cells, or the seed of life, which was the divine pattern of creation around the heart, over time and due to the fall in consciousness, descended to the base of the spine. They became an 8-cell matrix that served as a vessel to store accumulated thought forms and emotions which were not released. The spine was originally a flexible holographic structure with very subtle frequencies and connected the 5th dimensional realm at the back and the 3rd dimensional realm in the front. The spine served as a conduit for divine energies and also helped to release all the misqualified energies, transmuting them into light. But when the thought forms and emotions were too dense and accumulated, they filled up the original 8 cells at the base of the spine, which became condensed and almost cubical. The spine also became inflexible and rigid and unable to release the dense energies for the body any longer, resulting in the manifestation of imbalances in the physical and outer bodies. Hence, to facilitate a more powerful clearing and healing, one must focus on the spine and the original 8 cells and continuously work with the infinity frequency laser beams so that the original 8 cells is transformed once again into its original light form. Split paradigm healing with the spine. The spine is easily accessed through the time-space continuum from the front and the back, and so the split paradigm healing process is perfect to heal, cleanse and clear the spine. You must request the holocomputers to release the 33rd degree infinity holomatrices for the spine, which include the 33 vertebrae as well as one for the original 8 cells at the base of the spine. 68 fine holomatrices will emerge from the 2 holocomputers, 34 from the back and 34 from the front, and place themselves around the spine and original 8 cells, merging to form 34 fine holomatrices. Activating the frequency light beams will project the dual beams into the merged fine holomatrices, and a powerful cleansing and activation will take place. This healing must be done daily to restore the spine and original 8 cells to their original state of perfection. Now from the front and back dual process body computers, a continuous flow of 33rd degree infinity holomatrices will flow into each of the 33 vertebrae and the original 8 cells at the base of the spine and merge at the spine. Focus once more on the spine and the original 8 cells. Thought intention with breath. Body holocomputers release 33rd degree infinity holomatrices for the spine. Inhale. Activate infinity pulse frequency laser beams of the spine. Divine Blueprint. The 0 point or point of freedom is also where the soul enters and exits from. So when the soul enters, it does so into a perfect matrix blueprint of your human body. The original blueprint never changes. We often bring imperfections with us from past lives into this lifetime so that we can learn to dissolve them back into the perfect matrix of life that always exists for us. Activation of the original divine blueprint. At the end of the healing process, thought intent, original divine blueprint, frequency laser beams activate. A holographic blueprint matrix will begin to emerge from the heart and expand to encompass the body. These blueprints are of electric blue liquid light. Hold the blueprint spin for as long as you are guided in order to amplify your healing. The Gaia Dawn Infinity Healing System. Diamond Heart Connection to God and Mother Earth. We use the new 33rd degree Infinity Holomatrix of Love to enhance this process further. Begin by sitting to the side of the person you are working with so that their TSC is immediately in front of you. Now project a golden beam of light from your heart into your subject's heart. When holding this heart connection, project a golden beam of light up through your crown to God. At the same time, project a similar beam from your subject's heart through their crown up to God so that the two beams meet together in the God source. While holding this heart connection, project a gold beam of light down to the heart of Mother Earth. At the same time, project a similar beam from your subject's heart down to the heart of Mother Earth so that the two beams meet together in the heart of Mother Earth to form a golden diamond heart connection of love. If your subject is in tune with you, ask them to participate with you in this love connection. Now systematically connect on all levels of consciousness by asking the Gaia Dawn elementals and your body elemental to connect with your subject's body elemental to help facilitate this treatment or healing. Now you ask the same of the higher selves. Then you ask your I Am presence of both of you to do the same. Lastly, you connect to the goddess senses within both of you, within the Source and Mother Earth, to co-create the perfect, loving, most divine healing for your subject. The Gaia Dawn Infinity Healing Chamber. Thought create a combined Gaia-Dawn Sanctuary Infinity Holomatrix Healing Chamber. Connect with the golden diamond heart connection. Now manifest the most amazing pulsating Gaia-Dawn heart in the center of this healing chamber. Once connected in this way, you are of one mind, one thought. You can now begin your healing or treatment. The abbreviated Gaia-Dawn 33rd Degree Infinity Healing System. With the 33rd degree Infinity Om-Kaba of Love activated during healing, all 33rd degree Infinity Holomatrices will always rotate clockwise. This means all healing is truly within the high divine light energies of the TSC. Discuss your subject's conditions for healing, then everyone takes their position. Select your GLF key codes for the person being healed and write them down. Thought create combined 33rd degree Infinity Holomatrices of Love and Gaia-Dawn Sanctuary of Love Healing Chamber. Healing Chamber encoding. Nothing shall leave this chamber. All healing shall take place within the TSC of the person selected for healing. Connect the gold diamond heart connection of love with the person you're healing or to the central pillar. If you are doing a group healing, then sit in a circle around the central pillar and form the golden diamond heart connection to the pillar, to God and to Mother Earth. Ask the body elementals and Gaia-Dawn elementals of the 33rd degree to assist in facilitating this healing. Ask the higher selves to assist in facilitating this healing. Ask the I Am presences to assist in facilitating this healing. Finally, ask God to assist in facilitating this healing. Now manifest the most amazing, pulsating Gaia-Dawn heart in the center of this healing chamber. Once connected in this way, you are both of one mind, one thought.